So I went and looked at an Airpark living house today, like a house with a hangar on it that you could actually go out and live in and have an airplane in it, and you could literally fly right up to the back door of the house. Let's take a look at it. I really think that this was just an absolute beautiful home. It was an open house, and I talked to a couple different realtors about this place. Just a beautiful home with the grass strip. It had a 2,200 foot grass strip out back. I talked to a lady while I was there that was like, I don't understand. Like what there's an airstrip out back. I'm like, yeah. There's also a hangar over there so that you can fly your airplane. If you don't have an airplane, don't go buying up Airpark property so that you can store all your crap in it when there's a lot of pilots out there that are scavenging trying to find a place to hangar their airplane, and a lot of them just end up stuck on a ramp someplace. It's just horrible. But the guy that is selling this place has been there for a long time. It's sitting on 8 acres. The guy was a metal worker. You could see with the railings, he did a lot of art and metal work with rebar, it looked like there. He had a workshop set up out in the hangar. And the guy that's actually there right now is not an airplane owner. So he just lives here with no airplane or anything. I've always dreamed of a log house. My wife has always dreamed of a log house. Together, we'd love to have an opportunity to be in a place like this. We decided at the end of the day this probably wasn't for us, but it will go to somebody else that's super awesome. Again, 8 acres. It had like 2 ponds out there, just so secluded and peaceful. And if you had an airplane that you were building or an airplane that you had purchased and wanted to have it out here, it would 100% be possible. The house was a little bit on the small side, nothing too overly overwhelming, but it would be good if you had an airplane that had the performance specs and the size to get in there and out. 2,200 feet should be plenty to get in and out of for most small airplane owners. With an RV-10, if you guys have been following along, you know that that's what I'm looking to build, and it would probably be a really great place for that. Now that I've installed all my hose lines and everything so that I can do all my pneumatic metalwork right out in my own garage here at this place, and then all of a sudden this popped up, and I was like, whoa, okay, there's a really great opportunity, and it's literally right down the street from me, which is, I did not expect that. The fact that this Airpark was there, I knew it was there, but I just never really thought too much. The idea of property like this becoming available doesn't happen very often. Send me your flight simulator. I want to see what you guys are doing. Take it easy, and I'll catch up with you guys in another video. Awesome. See you. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our home flight simulator resource guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.